first thing we want to do to create a favicon is visit the website favicon.io. This site is the best website for favicon generation, and best of all, it's free. On the home page of Favicon.io, you are going to need to choose to create your favicon from text or generate your favicon from an image, which would usually be your company logo. Let's look at an example of each. Here is a website called arichidea.com. This website uses a favicon generated from text, as we see the letter R next to their website. Now let's take a look at thisishowyoudit.com. We use our logo as our favicon, as you see in this photo. So now it's time to make your choice. In our example today, we will choose Generate from Image. Once on the Generate Favicon from an Image page, you simply need to drag your image or logo into the rectangle. The site will then quickly generate all of the favicon images that you need. Now, you'll want to hit the download button to download the images to your computer. They will be downloaded in zip file format, and you can view them by clicking the favicon_io.zip on the bottom left of your screen and choosing Show in Folder. Take a look at all the images that were produced that quickly. Now, on the bottom of this page, you can find the instructions to set up the favicons on your website. Essentially, you will be uploading these images to the root of your website and then adding that code to the head portion of your web page. Fortunately, for most of you who use WordPress, this step will be much easier, as there is usually a place in your theme to easily add your website favicon. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has enabled you to quickly create a favicon for your website.